Even our little rocket and his mommy are there listening to music. Relax with nice music pumping on the DOSS Ultra Boom XL. It's that far. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Greetings, Ali Shamma here. Welcome to the complete yet quick review of this all new DOSS Soundbox XL Ultra Bluetooth speaker system. This soundbox definitely will liven up your music listening experience for both your indoors and outdoors use. Not just that, with its 80 watt of powerful performance, this can surely rock your indoor and outdoor parties. You have watched the DOSS Extreme Boom Pro complete video review on my channel, and you can see this thing is still with me. Definitely still pumping out the most powerful music that I need for my indoors and outdoors use. Having experienced the quality of sound and quality of DOSS speakers, it was just a matter of time that I would get another, yet the newest DOSS speaker. While DOSS Extreme Boom Pro is more geared towards the youth and younger people, this Soundbox XL Ultra is definitely targeted to all ages. If you have a modern house with expensive piece of smart home gadgets and smart home stuff, this thing will blend in really well. Now let me tell you, it's running twin 20 watt drivers for crispy clear music and a 40 watt built-in subwoofer for a powerful punchy bass on your music, turning your music listening experience to simply a joy. Now, not just for music listening experience, if you look at the build quality of this thing, the premium wood finish frame all around the speaker from right to left and under, two mounting screw holes down there so you can actually mount it on a frame and let it stand at the corners of your house, or you can simply place it in a bookshelf, you can place it on the side table, you can place it on the kitchen table. I mean, you name it, you can place it anywhere and enjoy music anywhere. After that premium wooden finish frame, there is a very nice metallic gun color frame and grille with the DOSS brand right here on the front. On the top, it is very easy to operate. You can see there are only few buttons that will do everything for you. Now to operate this is very easy. There are only few buttons right here. You can power it on by pressing and holding the center button. You can turn on and off the extra bass using this. You can also use TWS feature to pair more than one speaker and enjoy even more powerful sound using more than one DOSS speakers. Plus minus buttons for volume control, and also pressing and holding them down, you can move forward or backward on your tracks. On the back, you also have the same grille, and if you look under here, you have a USB-C port for charging, you have a USB out, you have a TF card slot so you can store all your music in a TF card and play right from this speaker, and you have an aux in as well on the back. Though this is not as fancy looking as the Extreme Boom Pro, which also has a built-in lights that actually dance with music and change color. It has more drivers and it has a better subwoofer, and overall, according to my experience, as I have been using this speaker and that, I still find that the DOSS Extreme Boom Pro has a clearer sound and more heavy and punchy bass compared to this. However, when you want a premium quality look, an expensive finish, a product that your friends will look at it and ask, hey man, wow, where did you get this thing? Well, this comes with the DOSS Soundbox XL Ultra, but also it has more than enough power to satisfy your music needs, clear sound and a heavier bass. Enough said for both of these speakers. Now, because we are focused on this, let's power it up and let's pump out some music. Let's rock this room with some indoor sound test of a Mozart track.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done now.
Hey, that's a lot of sound, man. That is powerful.
Girls with their nails done now.
Clear sound really creates an atmosphere even in this open area.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right.
Walk like this.
The game, win it life, not no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, make a change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss that spot, taking big swings,
Definitely you can rock the parties, man. Look at that. It's a big yard, mashallah. But the way music is pumping from there, beat is so good that even our little rocket and his mommy are there listening to music. Yeah, I told you, man. This thing is calling the cats. Now the daddy cat is coming as well.
pass me the track, right as you got me hazy, not to unpack all these shit I've been chasing.
The girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done I am on fire, and you know what you get once you get me started. I love the way we roll. I love the way we roll. I'll never let you go. I'll never let you go. We never ever get bored, just the way that we roll, singing ew, ew. Never stop, we gonna do what we're told, just the way that we roll, singing ew, ew. You and me any day, boy, I ain't lying. Baby, let's run away. I am on fire, and you know what you get.
Relax with nice music pumping on the DOSS Ultra Boom XL. It's that far.
Baby, you give me ice and
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button. Right?